Right, morning John, what's this?
Hey Tony, it's a portable Towerlux lighting unit.
Right, let's have a look at this. Right, I think the easiest thing is for you to just demonstrate it and show us what it does.
It works off 110 volts AC, so it's good for construction sites. It's got the safety aspect of the 110 volts.
Yeah.
And also for fire appliances with the 110 volt socket. It's got 4 legs which fold away normally when you can easily carry it or pop it in the boot of a car, something like that.
Yeah, I'm with you.
And then the tower itself actually inflates. So we're just going to roll the tower. And then we just simply inflate it.
So there's a fan underneath?
Yeah, there's 2 fans built into the bottom and they inflate the tower to its height. So shall we give it a go?
Yeah, fire her up.
As you can see, it's quite stable. It's got the 4 legs to a hard surface.
Yeah.
If you're on a grass surface, a football pitch where these items are widely used, you have some tent pegs with the rings around, just like you would a tent.
And stabilise
it, in slightly windy weather at all.
So what do we do for light then? How do we make that work?
The light is actually at the top of the unit, and that's a 400 volt discharge light.
Yeah.
What we do is we allow the tower to stabilise. You can see now that there's a good stabilisation in there. And the light's at the top, so we can now switch the light on.
Right.
You can see the light starting to glow.
So this is going to take some time to come up with full intensity.
Another 2 minutes, because it's a discharge light and it has to get to its operating maximum.
Yeah, full output.
That's right, and then slowly the light will permeate down the tower itself and then will spread.
So perhaps what we ought to do with this is we ought to get a shot as well at night time, pitch black, so you can actually see the effect. I mean, we're in a 3,000 square foot warehouse here.
Obviously got the high ambient light.
Yeah, we've got the lights. If we put this in the middle and this was pitch black, would this light this building up?
Oh, it would, and you'd be able to work in here, so if needed, just as a temporary measure, it'd be absolutely ideal.
Fantastic. And what's the application for this product? Who would use this?
It's very widely used with the emergency services, the police, fire authorities, also on construction sites for building a unit such as this if there's no mains power there at the time. Even for domestic applications, if you have a function that's requiring some light in a field, for example, where there's no power. And because it's 110 volts, it's quite safe to use on construction sites.
Yeah.
And you could also put it into a portable generator.
Of course, so is that going to get brighter and brighter as
it will do as time goes on.
Yeah. So what are we looking? 3-4 minutes?
3-4 minutes max, and then the light will start to spread out. It doesn't go all the way down the tower, but we need the height of the tower to actually spread the light over a large area.
So I think what we'll do then is we'll have another shot at night when this is pitch black.
Ideally, yeah.
Can you show us how we take this down then? How this works?
Yeah, certainly, yeah. To take the tower down, all you simply do is starve the unit of oxygen, and there's a lever in here to do that. That reduces the oxygen, the air, that's going up the tower itself.
Yeah.
And then we remove the tower. And normally the tower will start to come down in a controlled manner with the guide down. That's the tower coming down.
So you would, now that everyone can hear it, so ideally what you'd do is that once you turn the lights off, you'd leave the tower up for what, 2 or 3 minutes to cool down?
That's right, to cool down, but it wasn't very hot, so we'd only have it on in a few minutes.
Yeah, of course, it's just been a short demonstration. Inside there is some sort of wire cage that contains the lamp.
That's right, the conical shaped cage at the top, so that protects the lamp from any mechanical damage that may incur when it comes down. The material is ripstop material, so it's very strong, like a Gore-Tex material, which allows the air to slowly permeate out. Right. Otherwise it would blow up like a balloon. So we have to let the air out, that's right. Yes.
I'm with you, that's fantastic.
And then as the air dies down out of the tube, you would simply just roll it up pop the cover back on, and you can usually pop it back into the.
And can one person carry this?
Yeah, very easily. It's very light.
Yeah, it's not heavy at all. Anyone can carry that. No, that's fantastic. Thank you, John.